This is the 70mm dashcam Omni, the world's first 360 degrees full-view car dash camera that films everything that happens around your car without any blind spots. It also offers AI motion detection, very good day and night video quality, voice control, plenty of settings in the app, and many other features. Let's take a look. Just before we start, the dashcam Omni is currently on a Kickstarter campaign with a starting price of just about $100. For this amount of money, Omni offers a lot of features and technology. Check out the links and show notes in the video description down below if you're interested. In this video, I used a pre-production unit with beta software, meaning that the final model will have improved functionality and features. The dash camera comes in a pretty nice looking box where all of the items are packed neatly. You get a dash cam itself, a power cord, a car charger, an electrostatic sticker, a wiring crowbar, an adhesive sticker, and some paperwork. I also have a hardwire kit that allows you to connect the dash camera to your car's battery, which is required for parking security features like collision and motion detection, time-lapse photography, or surveillance light effect. I'll talk about these features more in just a bit. The 4G hardwire kit, which will be available early next year, will expand remote control options of Omni. For instance, you will be able to remotely control the dash cam and see what's happening both inside and outside of your vehicle. Also, you will be able to get real-time app notifications at the first sign of suspicious event or collision. Last but not least, you'll be able to locate your car and use cloud services for convenience. The star of the show is a rotating camera module that enables the device to capture a 360 view with no blind spots. This enables the device to capture everything what's happening in the front and sides of the car and inside it. The lens itself has a wide field of view of 140 degrees. The sensor uses the new PureCell Plus S HDR technology and bright f1.5 lens for good low-light performance and the ability to capture clear footage in ultra-high contrast conditions. The device itself is well constructed and the build quality is very good. So far, the rotating head has been working great, and it seems that the two-phase stepping motors inside it are built to last. On the top of the head, we have a speaker grill that provides a surprisingly good sound quality. On the left, we have a USB Type-C port for the power supply, and on the right, you can find up and down as well as power keys. The base angle can be adjusted for the optimal recording position. The 1.2-inch IPS LCD display is rather small, but it is used mostly for basic operation. You can see the live view of the camera and adjust basic settings. You can turn on or off the Wi-Fi hotspot, sound recording, watermark, mute the device, format the storage, reset the device, and so on. You can also turn on or off the display by pressing the power key. In order to unleash the full potential of the device, you need to download and install the 70mm app that is available on both Android and iOS. Within the app, you can adjust quite a few settings, including the compression ratio and video resolution up to 1080p 60fps. Keep in mind that the HDR feature only works in 30fps mode. You can also adjust other settings related to video clip duration, turn on or off watermarks and logo that is shown on the recorded footage. Besides, you can set the default position of the tripod head once the camera starts and when it is in the parking mode. I simply set it to record what's happening in the front of the car. If you have set up the hardwire kit, you can use parking security features that utilize the camera's rotating head and AI algorithms. For instance, when a collision happens, the Omni will automatically pinpoint the direction of the motion, then turn toward it and record footage for up to 30 seconds after a collision occurs. The advanced AI motion detection algorithm identifies humans around your car, detects their motion, and precisely targets their location thanks to the 360 degrees rotating head. Also, if the suspicious guy keeps lingering around your vehicle, Omni will activate an orange warning light as a tampering deterrent. You can also use the time-lapse photography feature, which continuously records the vehicle's surroundings with time lapses. The app also allows you to adjust collision detection sensitivity. There is also an advanced ADAS system that alerts you when the vehicle in front of you is too close to your car, when there are pedestrians, and in case of accidental lane departure. Voice control is an underrated yet very important safety feature for any dash camera. The Omni takes it to another level by not only being very accurate and responding to each command, but also utilizing the rotating head and AI engine. For instance, you can ask the camera to record short videos on the left and right side or the interior of your car, take a photo, shoot a short vlog clip, take a selfie, and so on. Here are a few voice command examples. Shoot left. Shoot right. Take photo. Shoot emergency video. Take selfie. Shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Shoot inside. Stop audio. Record audio. There are plenty of other settings and tweaks to play with, which shows 70mA's attention to customization options for every consumer. You can use your phone as a viewfinder in case you want to see what's being recorded on a larger screen. You can also rotate the camera head manually and use auto calibration if needed. In addition, you can access the recorded footage in the form of a timeline, which is very useful if you need videos from a particular day and time. You can also access all of the videos and download them to your phone. Further, you can apply nice and informative visual effects to your video, which is both useful and the effects look nice for sharing the video, for example, on your social media feed. The overall video quality is very good. Sure, there are plenty of 2K or even 4K resolution dash cameras out there, but this is probably the sharpest 1080p camera you can get, especially in this price category. You can clearly see all the details, road signs, license plate numbers, and the dynamic range is very good, especially with the HDR feature turned on. You can also see all of the GPS data, which is very useful for accident reports or insurance claims. The night video quality is very good too. Even in complicated lighting conditions, the noise levels are kept to a minimum and you can still see all of the necessary details clearly. All things considered, the 70mA Dashcam Omni is an innovative and feature-packed car dash camera. I love its rotating camera module, the video quality is great, and voice commands along with the smart features are more useful than I initially thought. I've used this camera for the past couple of weeks and honestly, I can't think of any shortcomings yet. It's been reliable and it works pretty much automatically once you start the ignition of your car. For the current selling price of about $100, it's a no-brainer if you're looking for an affordable yet innovative and feature-packed car dash camera. What do you think about this dash camera? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.